Hi, it's Joe Pettifree here from UK Aviation Services. Today I want to talk to you about this fantastic Sikorsky S76C++ that will soon be coming to the market. It's a 2008 machine, owned by one owner from new, and it's currently got 3,500 hours time since new. Let's have a look in the cockpit. This aircraft's fully loaded with optional extras. We've got the co-pilot's approach plate holder. This is the lit version. We've got the ED800 EFIS system coming across. We've also got the multifunction radar display and the Garmin GMX200 multifunction display. This aircraft has the new Honeywell CMA 6800 EFIS system for the pilot side, which is the liquid crystal display version. We've also got the pilot's approach plate holder. Centre console has the radio tuning units, the RTU 4200s, as well as the universal UNS-1F flight management system. As well as this aircraft has also got the improved Primus 880 weather radar. It's got the LSZ 860 lightning sensor, and it's got a Skywatch Sky 899 TCAS 1 system installed. Let's have a look in the cabin. As you can see, we've got the 6-place VIP Deluxe interior. We have 2 swivelling captain's chairs, along with the low-profile centre credenza. The credenza benefits from both 12-volt DC and 220-volt AC power supplies, and it also has the fridge drawer with the extras drawer. For customer comfort, we've got everything in the cabin, from coat hooks, cup holders. The aircraft benefits from Bose headsets throughout. We've also got the cabin call system in the window reveals, and we've got satellite communication, sat phone. Entrance into the cabin, we have the fully retractable footstep. The aircraft also benefits from the air conditioning system and flight deck heating system. If you want more details about this aircraft, get in touch with UK Aviation Services today.